Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and we are back with another episode in our tested series. Today, my friends, we're going to check out a USB microphone from Maono. So, let's get cracking! Alright, so let's take a gander at what's in the box. First things first, they've got a sweet card talking to us about telling our friends and family and sharing it as a review. Of course, that's what I'm doing right now. They've got an awesome little user's manual, quick introductions to the part list, a sweet little page bragging about the specs, instructions for assembly. Of course, there is a little assembly, but my favorite is that USB plug-in part. And then a quick check to make sure you're talking at the label, not behind the label. Quick steps for how to set the microphone level, and time to test it. So let's run through the box. We've got a noise filter, we have got a pop filter, and underneath that we have got the stand, the attachment for the desk. This feels really sturdy, way more sturdy than most that I've used. The microphone holder, the cable, and of course the microphone. It as well is quite sturdy and has a good feel to it. The stand and arm connect as easily as you would expect. The microphone holder screws on right here, just like you'd expect as well. Once you have it tightened, remember to loosen this, and that allows you to find the exact angle that you want to put your microphone at. This also lets you adjust this as well. So there's lots of flexibility for finding the way that you want your microphone to sit. When you found the location you think is good, simply tighten it up, and then make sure you've got that label at you, squeeze, and insert your microphone. Of course, USB cord, and plug it in underneath. It comes with a nifty little cable tie that you can use to keep it all zipped up. The pop filter attaches on the arm just like that. Then you can pull it down and get it exactly the way you want it. And then last but not least, I'm going to add the extra noise suppression just for added quality. Alrighty friends, so now we are actually using the microphone here as we record. I record a ton with Camtasia as I make tutorials, and having my rig set up like this makes it really cool. Alright friends, so I quickly jumped out and checked the quality, and I gotta tell you, I am totally impressed. You can see the specs they include right here: full metal build, satisfaction guarantee. If we look at the pictures, there they can see it all put together. Here they show the other mics compared to this one. Notice it's got a smooth curve. 16mm microphone capsule, the polar pattern. It has a magnet ring that keeps it shielded, and it shows it in the system here where you've actually got the pop filter just like I do in front of the mic. So hey friends, that is some pretty sweet quality audio. If you look here, there is also a coupon that you can use currently. Who knows if that'll be there when you guys watch, but what a great deal with a coupon. I will have a link below in the description if you want to check it out from there. And of course friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.